So this is how we social distance in the marina. Let's go back and get ready and do all our inspections and get ready to roll out.
Yes.
Just getting everything ready. We're gonna be heading out.
We are heading out of this beautiful place.
Hey, what are you doing?
So it is now a requirement that if you leave the boat or go to the store or do anything that you have masks for the quarantine. So we don't have any. We're not at a place where we can receive any mail. We're not allowed to receive mail at the military base. So I have to make some with what I have. So what I did was that I found a piece of paper and I created a pattern of half of Patrick's face. So I went from like the nose to the ear. Obviously Patrick's face is bigger than mine. Maybe I should use mine. So from the middle of the nose to your ear and then around the jaw. And then I did a little loop-de-loop here for the eye socket, so if you wear sunglasses it's not like bothering you there. And I found an old pillowcase. We also found out that these little micro towels are really good. You can breathe through them really good. And what we did was that we saw on YouTube one of the doctors was spraying water on it to see if it comes out the other way, to determine whether whatever you're going to use as a filter, if it works good enough to protect you. And these do. So I'm going to sew these on the inside of it. To distinguish, since they're both going to look gray outside, I got pink, Patrick has green. And I just went, let me put this up, around the fold of the towel, of the pillowcase, in this little fold. So I put his, on the center line, there's one less sewing that I have to do. I put that center part there and then cut around it. So that gave me the centerpiece already done. I am going to now cut this shape onto the green towel, and I'm gonna sew it backwards like that. So when I flip it after it's sewn, the filter will be on the inside and you'll only be able to see the outside part. It's gonna look like that. So it's gonna look like one good seam. And then to tie it around our ears, I don't have any cord or elastic, but I do have ponytails. So we're just gonna literally put the ponytails around it, and I'm gonna sew these like on it so it holds them in place. So that way we can at least go and get fuel and any provisions if we need to, because we don't want a fine. Apparently the fine starts at $500, so we don't want to get caught outside with it, which we understand. So this is what I have to work with, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just cutting and figuring this out so we can be safe.
So this is how we social distance in the marina. We have friends over there floating on YouTube. Music's playing from somebody's boat over there. I gotta keep us off this boat.
I wasn't ready to be a thing, but it was almost drifting us into a boat. Yeah, so everybody gets in the water and and we just kind of drift. We get to talk, chit chat. Taz is over there being DJ, karaokeing. It's pretty nice. Watch the sunset. Patrick rowing.
Yep.
Hi. How are you? I can't look at you while I'm lying next to him. Is that dog crying because I'm singing?
Yeah, that's exactly why that dog's crying.
Oh.
There we go. There's the International Space Station.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's moving so fast.
My phone is losing its mind trying to focus on it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's moving
Hi,
along pretty good.
astronauts! Stay safe from coronavirus.
Yeah, it's moving along pretty good. So if I hold the phones, if I hold the camera still,
Oh my gosh.
you can see it going along pretty quick. Look at that.
I'm so excited. All those people are free from all this madness, but still confined. Go to Dominican. One of us needs to get there.
Going along pretty good. Alright, so we did our last little provisioning run to the base here, since we're going to be calling it. And we don't want to stop, or we want to stop as little as possible on the way up. So if we can do that and provision enough to where we don't have to stop until we get to at least a halfway point, we should be pretty good, and kind of stay away from the madness and crazy people. But yeah, just did a little extra stock up, so that we should be good to go for the next like 2 to 3 weeks at least. So, which is a pretty long time to be out there on the water. So yeah, let's go back and get ready and do all our inspections and get ready to roll out.
So with all the craziness that is going on, Florida now is on a stay-at-home executive order. So only one person can leave at a time to go shopping. So Patrick went on the dinghy. I gave him a list, and he is heading back now. So I am just looking down the bridge, and I see him, and he is booking it. Look at him go. Ha! I hope you see this on camera, because he looks like he's racing or something.
That's awesome. But it just makes sense for him to go. He can carry more things at once, and he can go in and out real quick, grab everything that I put on the list. Although it's kind of weird because we are used to always going together places. So for him to be gone like this, and it's like I'm sending him hunting for provisions. But it is what it is, right? It's becoming our new normal here. It's coming around the reef now, so he has to go a little bit slower to go around the reef. Even though we know it's deep enough, we don't want to ruffle. There's a lot of marine life around right there. You got it. No good, good? Yes.
4. All right, we're tied up here at the dock and just getting everything ready. We're gonna be heading out. So what are we doing?
I was sending a message to my daughter so she knows that we're getting ready to leave and that we may lose cell service till tomorrow. The place that we're gonna anchor out today is gonna be by a reef. We're gonna try and do some night diving and stuff, so it looks like we're in the middle of the ocean. So I don't want anybody to follow us on the inReach and think something's wrong. So so I'm calling them, I'm telling everybody we're leaving, everything's ready to go and packed. We need to take that ribbon out so we can raise the mainsail. We forgot.
Yeah, sail ties.
And let's go.
Yeah, we're over here parked at the service dock so that we could take our lines off of the mooring ball, and everything's stowed away and ready to go. And yeah, we are ready to leave. So let's start the engine and roll out.
Sweet. We are heading out of this beautiful place. They were good to us, huh?
Yeah, it was a very nice stay.
Ended up staying 2 months, a couple months. But better safe than sorry. So we spent most of our lockdown here in Boca Chica, Key West. Not a very bad place to be stuck.